Welcome to all. SV Union High School and Junior College, Pune. Economics Standard 12th. Presented by Dr. Inderjit Kaur Ahluwalia. Chapter 2, Utility Analysis. Video 2. Concepts of utility. There are two main concepts of utility. They are total utility and marginal utility. First, total utility. Total utility refers to the aggregate of utility derived by the consumer from all units of a commodity consumed. It is an aggregate of utilities from all successive units of a commodity consumed. Second, marginal utility. Marginal utility refers to the additional utility derived by a consumer from an additional unit of a commodity consumed. In other words, it is the addition made by the last unit of a commodity consumed. Let us now study the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. The relationship between total utility and marginal utility can be explained with the help of a hypothetical example which includes a schedule and diagram. Schedule. Marginal utility derived from various units of a commodity and its total utility are interrelated. This schedule or table explains the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. We observe first total utility and marginal utility of the very first unit of X consumed are the same. That is, total utility equals to marginal utility. Second, as the consumer consumes further units of X, the total utility increases at a diminishing rate and marginal utility goes on diminishing. That is, total utility increases, marginal utility diminishes. Third, at a particular stage, total utility reaches to its maximum and remains constant, whereas marginal utility becomes zero. This is called the point of satiety, means point of full satisfaction. That is, total utility highest marginal utility 0. Fourth, after this point, any additional unit consumed further results in a decline in the total utility, while marginal utility becomes negative. That is, total utility falls, marginal utility becomes negative. Fifth, after reaching the point of satiety, a rational consumer should stop his consumption, since the maximum limit of satisfaction is reached and there is no addition to total utility by any further increase in the stock of a commodity. And lastly, consumption beyond the point of satiety transforms satisfaction into dissatisfaction. On the basis of this schedule, total utility and marginal utility curves can be derived with the help of the following diagram. Diagram TU curve equals to total utility curve. MU curve equals to marginal utility curve. X-axis measures the units of the commodity consumed, while Y-axis measures total utility and marginal utility. The figure shows, first, initially, total utility and marginal utility are equal. Second, total utility curve slopes upwards, whereas marginal utility curve slopes downwards. Third, when total utility is maximum, marginal utility is 0. It achieves point of satiety, that is total satisfaction. Fourth, further, any additional unit consumed results in a decline in the total utility, while marginal utility becomes negative. Thus, it is observed that total utility is always positive, but marginal utility may be positive, 0, or even negative. Formulae explaining the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. How to calculate total utility? TU is equal to sigma mu. Sigma means sum of. Thus, addition of all marginal utilities gives total utility, or TUN equals MU1 plus MU2 plus MU3 plus ... MUN. That is, total utility of n units is equal to marginal utility of first unit plus marginal utility of second unit plus marginal utility of third unit plus marginal utility till nth unit. Next, how to calculate marginal utility? MUN equals TUN minus TUN minus 1. That is, marginal utility of n units is equal to total utility of n units minus total utility of n minus 1 units. Let us solve one example. Suppose we want to calculate marginal utility of the fifth unit. So, marginal utility of fifth unit is equal to total utility of fifth unit minus total utility of fifth minus 1 unit. That is, 5 minus 1 equals to fourth unit. So, total utility of fifth unit is 30 and total utility of fourth unit is 28. Therefore, 30 minus 28 equals 2, which is marginal utility of the fifth unit. In simple words, total utility of n units minus total utility of n minus 1 units. That is, total utility of previous unit gives marginal utility of n unit. Now, as we have understood the concepts of total utility and marginal utility, let us do one small exercise of distinguish between total utility and marginal utility. The first point given under total utility is meaning. Total utility is the sum total of the individual utilities derived from the consumption of a single unit of good, whereas marginal utility is the addition made to the total utility from every additional unit consumed. Second point, total utility increases at a diminishing rate. What will be the blank given against it for marginal utility? Marginal utility decreases at a diminishing rate. The third point given in marginal utility is at the point of satiety, marginal utility equals 0. will be under total utility now. When marginal utility is 0, total utility is highest, it is maximum or constant. So we will write at the point of satiety, total utility is highest or maximum or constant. Next, fourth point given in total utility is total utility declines if consumption continues. Whereas when total utility declines, marginal utility becomes negative. So our point under marginal utility will be marginal utility becomes negative if consumption continues. Fifth point, total utility determines value in use of a commodity. In marginal utility, it will be marginal utility determines value in exchange of a commodity. Sixth point given in marginal utility is that marginal utility can be positive, negative, 0. But what do we notice under total utility? That total utility is always positive. And the last point, depicting the diagram. We can see under total utility column, X and Y axis drawn. Similarly, you will draw X and Y axis in the marginal utility column. X axis you will show units and Y axis you will show marginal utility. Now in total utility, the curve is first upward moving, constant and then falling. But in marginal utility, first it is falling, then is 0, becoming negative. So you will start the curve moving downwards. It will touch x-axis indicating 0. Then it will go below the x-axis indicating negative. And you will mention over there MU curve. So now we have understood in detail the concepts of total utility and marginal utility. Thank you.